What is going on, everybody? My name is Jared from Debaroot.com, and today we are talking about how to make $100 a day with Instagram ads. And of course, this is going to be for affiliate marketing, because over here at Debaroot.com and at the AFK forum, that's what we're talking about. We're always talking about affiliate marketing. Now, there's a huge audience on Instagram ads that is ready to buy our affiliate products. So let's go into exactly how to start making profit and how to make $100 a day with those Instagram ads. But real quick, before we get into it, I just want to let you know that this video was made possible by the AFK. Alrighty, so this is going to be more of a high level, theoretical how to make $100 a day. And if you want to see a more in-depth training about how to set up the Instagram ads and which products exactly to pick, then I have another video on my channel about that, which you can go and check out. So first up, what is the audience like on Instagram? And simply put, it's a younger audience, not necessarily as young as, say, Snapchat ads, but I would say the average user is probably anywhere from 15 up to maybe 35. And of course, there are people that stretch past that as well, but I'd say the bulk of the people that are on Instagram are within that 15 to 35 range. Now, that works out pretty well for us. We don't want to sell anything to people under, say, 21. And really, if we can stay away from people under, say, 25, that's probably going to work out the best for us, because those people under 25, they don't have any money. And I know this for a fact because I'm 21 and my friends and people that I know and hang out with, they ain't got any money. And they definitely don't have money to spend on affiliate products. So I would say that is definitely our best bet, is to stay above 25 when we're creating our Instagram ads. Now, moving on to what can we sell these people? And really, there's a broad enough demographic on Instagram ads to pretty much sell whatever you want. That being said, Instagram is owned by Facebook, and all of the ads is done under the Facebook Ads Manager, so you do have to be wary of Facebook's advertising policies when you're creating your ads. When I say this, I pretty much mean that you don't want to run any weight loss offers, you don't want to run any dating offers, and most likely you don't want to run any make money online type offers, because you definitely run the risk of getting your ad accounts shut down. This is all just because Facebook doesn't like creating bad experiences for their users. And of course, I know that's not your intention when you're creating these ads. You're not trying to make people have a bad time, but if people don't get exactly what they're promised, then that's pretty much what happens. They come back to Facebook, they report your ads, and it's just a bad experience after that. So pretty much just stay away from those types of offers and you will be fine. There are plenty of other offers that you can promote, so don't feel like you're missing out on too much. Continuing on, I have this next bullet about story ads versus feed ads. So if you're not aware, there are pretty much two different placements on Instagram. You can either put your ads right in the feed. A person is scrolling through maybe their friends' pictures, and then every once in a while an ad will appear in the middle of all that. Or you could do it on the Instagram stories. The stories will be the full size of the phone, and they will play in between your friends' stories. So both methods are very effective, and there isn't really a situation where you would want to run one over the other. In my opinion, it's always best to just stick with either the feeds or the stories and master that placement before moving on to another one. Started off with the story ads, then I would just keep on doing story ads for as long as possible, and then eventually you're going to get an ad that's doing well, and if you want to split test whether it does better on the story or the feed, then that is a good time to start doing that. But I wouldn't do them both at once. Keep in mind that Instagram is a very visual platform, so you're going to want to blend into that as much as possible by creating really high quality image ads, and if you're going to do videos, really high quality video ads as well. Don't be using any stock photos or ugly, low quality resolution photos, because that's not something that you would typically see on Instagram. So it's going to look suspicious and people aren't going to click on your ads. Moving on, where do we send these people after they click on our ads? And 99 times out of 100, I'm going to send them straight over to a landing page, which is going to have a simple 2 to 3 question quiz on it. Once they answer the last quiz question, then they will move on to the affiliate offer. Facebook really doesn't like direct linking for the most part. I've gotten away with it in the past for some lower risk offers, but depending on what you're selling, it's almost always going to be a safer bet to send them to a landing page before they get to the offer. In terms of targeting, Instagram allows you to be very detailed in who you select. Remember, this is all part of the Facebook Ads Manager, so all the capabilities that you have when you're creating a normal Facebook ad, you're going to have here on Instagram as well. So no matter what you're promoting, you're going to be able to target the exact person that you want, and you'll also have really powerful tools such as retargeting and lookalike audiences that you can use later on down the line. So you can put your Facebook pixel on that landing page that we were talking about before, and anybody that comes to that landing page will be put into a custom audience. And later on down the line, if you want to retarget those people who came to your landing page, then you can just set up a new ad, and instead of targeting a specific interest, target that custom audience that you created with your Facebook pixel, and it's only going to target the people that have been to your landing page. This is really powerful for when you're selling affiliate products, because most people aren't going to convert right away. They're going to convert after seeing the offer 5, 6, 7 times. So this is a great way to increase the chance of you getting sales. Moving on to probably the most important step is how to test these out. You will not make it to $100 a day without doing some split tests. Essentially, I'll just do a split test at a time. So maybe I'll start off with images, and I'll test out 5 different images. After a few days, I'll take the best performing image, which either has the most sales, the biggest ROI, the highest click-through rate, whatever I'm trying to optimize for. Then I'll take that image and I'll move on to another split test. So maybe I'll test out different age ranges, and again, wait a few days, see which age range does the best. So now I have the best image and the best age range, so I can move on to another test. Maybe I can test out my landing pages. And I kind of just keep on following that pattern. Eventually, I'll be left with the best variations of all my split tests, so I know I have the best possible ad and funnel combination possible. Really, my key takeaway from this is never stop testing, because there's always going to be something that can be improved, and it's up to you to find that so that you can have the highest ROI possible. On to my verdict: can you make $100 a day with Instagram ads and affiliate marketing? And the answer is 100% yes. I have been doing this for some time now, and there are people inside of the AFK forum who are also doing $100 a day with Instagram ads. Instagram ads are a hot topic over at the forum, so pretty much any other information that you would need to know about the topic you can find over at the AFK forum. And with that being said, this video is made possible by the AFK forum.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.